Hey guys, so I just got my new Sleep and Beyond order. We just got a new California King mattress, so I really wanted to upgrade our master bedroom and, bring a little hotel to our home since we haven't been traveling at all lately. There's just something about when you go to like a super nice hotel and you jump into the bed and the sheets are super luxurious. I really wanted to bring that home. So I did some research and I actually came across Sleep and Beyond. They are a family-owned company, and right now more than ever it's super important to just shop small. This pillow is actually called the myWoolly pillow, and why I bought this pillow is because first, it has a removable cover from the entire pillow. So as you can see, this you can easily wash. And we have one of those annoying washing machines where there's like that divider piece in the middle of it, so you really can't put that much stuff in it, or like big items like this, you'll like shoving it in there and then it doesn't exactly clean it very well. And on top of that, then your pillow, the inside of it like takes forever to dry, and like you wouldn't want like to mold in there or something. I don't know, it just makes me super uneasy. So the second coolest thing about this pillow is the fact that you can actually adjust it. So inside the second zipper is where the wool is. So you can see it here. So this means that you can make your pillow either super soft or extra firm, depending on how much stuffing you add to it or remove from it. And I tend to like super firm pillows, when my boyfriend kind of likes more soft pillows. So I'm super excited to mix and match and, make our perfect pillow for each of us, because when you go shopping for a pillow, what do? Just like typically order it online, where you don't get to try it out, or you buy it in store and just hope for the best. But the fact that you can actually adjust the pillow to your preference is super cool.